So in this InShot tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to change the aspect ratio of a video here on InShot. So once InShot is opened up, if I were to just go ahead and play this video from InShot, it looks like just like a back to school prompt or whatever that you can get through InShot. But regardless, if you wanted to change the aspect ratio to maybe make it more of like an Instagram video or YouTube video, etc., go to where it says press on the clip right here, then go to this left side to where it says canvas and press on that. Now on this page right here, it'll say ratio, zoom, and background. Go ahead and press on ratio. And this is where you guys can change the aspect ratio. So if you want 1 to 1, 4 to 5, 16 to 9, whatever the case may be, you can go ahead and do this just like this. So if you wanted to do this one, you can go ahead and press OK right there. And now when you play the video, the aspect ratio has now changed. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can change the aspect ratio of a video on InShot. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.